On. Yep. It's in the weeds. Yeah. There's a fish on though. I'll play it slow. Light drag, light drag. Yeah. It's
That'd be a good Hallie right there. Oh yeah, it's coming in. That looks really good. Hey, Hallie, walk back.
Okay, I'm walking. Hold on, wait for the wait. You walk back. Wait, watch out.
You're good. Keep on walking back for a shore.
Let the wave take it.
Oh, that's a really good Hallie, dude. Oh, that is legal.
All right, hold on. Get your stuff out. Wait.
Alright, you're good.
I don't want to hit your pole.
No, you're good. I hope you landed. Slow walking. That's a really good spot.
Oh my god.
That's what we got. Oh, first shot.
Hold on, it's not over yet. Let the wave take it.
Still got a long spot ahead of you. Dude, that thing's pretty big. It looks pretty big.
It's coming in.
Wait. So right now I'm like super sketchy right now. There's a big hole right there.
Oh, not yet.
That's illegal.
Not yet. It's not done yet. Not yet. Wait, this is a big hole. Yeah, wait, hold on. No, I don't, wait. I'm gonna bring it to shore. Okay. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Look at that.
I think that's very close to legal.
It's like, I'm guessing 21.
Come on, buddy.
See you later, buddy. Oh my god. Look at him. Oh my god.